YouTube bestsellers. If you're here, it means you've already done the hard part. You've written your book. Congratulations. But here's something you should know. Even the most well-written books don't sell themselves. You need to market your book, and Amazon is one of the best places to do that. Amazon is a major platform for book sales with a massive built-in audience and smart marketing tools. The more active you are with marketing, the easier it is for readers to find you. And that's exactly where Notion Press comes in. Our Amazon marketing services are built to help you get readers and grow your book sales. But first, why should you market on Amazon? Firstly, Amazon already has the readers. Millions of people are searching for books here every day. And they already trust the platform, they have their payment details saved, and they're ready to buy. That means your book doesn't just gain visibility, it's also much more likely to be purchased. Amazon ads allow you to target specific demographics and interests, reaching readers who are most interested to buy your book. When you use these ads right, your book shows up in places where people are already looking, and that can make a huge difference. Here are some things that you should know about before you market your book on Amazon. Let's start with your book's buying page. This is what a standard book page looks like on Amazon. But if you want your book page to look professional and stand out, then you can use Amazon's A+ listing features that takes your book page and turns it into a mini landing page. In your book page, you can add high quality images, your book's blurb, testimonial, your author bio, and other information. A well-designed book page boosts conversions because when a reader scrolls down and sees a well-laid-out description and visual cues, they're much more likely to buy. Next, you can focus on getting reviews for your book since Amazon's search algorithm and readers heavily rely on book reviews. Even just 10 to 20 honest reviews can build trust and credibility. So if you're launching a book, focus on getting early readers and asking them to leave reviews. But ensure to ask trusted people like friends and family since Amazon can detect fake reviews. Once you have a well-designed book page and good reviews, you can use sponsored ads to increase your visibility. These appear in Amazon's search results. So when someone types in best self-help books or crime novels, your book can show up right there. We can help you pick the right readers, define your audience, and set the right bid amounts so your book doesn't get buried. And finally, sponsored display ads are ideal for authors who want long-term visibility and better reach. Here's how it works. When someone views a similar book, maybe they're checking out a competitor's title, your book ad will appear right on that page. These ads also follow potential readers across Amazon, reminding them of your book even if they did not purchase it the first time. So these are all the strategies that you can use to market your book on Amazon. If you're still not sure which strategies fit your goals as an author, you can click on the link in the description and our publishing consultants will guide you through it. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!